Money is an essential aspect of our lives, and many of us strive to attract financial abundance. While hard work, persistence, and financial management are vital, there's another powerful tool you can utilize to manifest prosperity: visualization. By harnessing the power of visualization, you can create a mindset that attracts money and opportunities into your life. But first of all, you should understand the power of visualization. Visualization is a technique that involves creating vivid mental images of your desired outcomes. By picturing yourself already in possession of the wealth and abundance you seek, you activate the law of attraction. The mind is a powerful tool, and when you consistently visualize your financial goals, it sends a message to the universe that you are ready to receive wealth. Don't worry, I'm not wasting your time. In this video, we will explore the art of visualization and provide practical tips on how to manifest financial abundance. 1. Clarify your financial goals. In order to enhance your ability to visualize effectively, it is crucial to develop a comprehensive understanding of your financial goals. Dedicate some valuable time to introspection and contemplate your true aspirations when it comes to money. Is it the pursuit of financial freedom, acquiring a dream home, or venturing into entrepreneurship? The level of specificity and detail within your goals is directly proportional to the ease with which you can visualize them. To solidify your goals and make them more tangible, it is advisable to document them in writing. This act of externalizing your aspirations not only helps in clarifying your vision, but also serves as a constant reminder of your objectives. By employing vivid and descriptive language, you can further enhance the tangibility of your goals. Consider including specifics such as timelines, desired financial milestones, and the lifestyle you envision achieving. By investing effort into this process of thoughtful reflection and goal setting, you lay a solid foundation for effective visualization. This will enable you to better harness the power of your imagination and steer your financial endeavors towards successful realization. 2. Create a vision board. A vision board serves as a powerful tool for visually capturing and manifesting your financial goals and desires. It entails gathering a curated collection of images, quotes, and symbols that symbolize wealth and financial success. These representations can be obtained from magazines, online sources, or even created digitally. By organizing and arranging them on a physical board or a digital platform, you create a tangible visual representation of your aspirations. The key to utilizing a vision board effectively is to review it daily. By dedicating time to immerse yourself in the imagery and sentiments depicted on the board, you reinforce your focus on your financial goals. This daily practice acts as a constant reminder of what you aim to achieve, fueling your motivation and determination. The act of visualizing your goals through a vision board enhances your subconscious mind's ability to attract and manifest those desires into reality. As you consistently engage with the board, it stimulates your imagination, heightens your belief in the attainability of your goals, and aligns your actions with your aspirations. Remember, the more specific and detailed the elements on your vision board are, the more effective it will be in guiding your thoughts and actions towards realizing your financial dreams. 3. Create a visualization routine. Consistency plays a pivotal role in the effectiveness of visualization techniques. To ensure optimal results, it is crucial to allocate dedicated time each day for practicing your visualization routine. Select a serene and comfortable environment that allows you to relax and concentrate without distractions. Begin your visualization session by closing your eyes and immersing yourself in the experience of already possessing the wealth and abundance you desire. Engage all your senses and vividly imagine the details, the sights, sounds, and emotions associated with achieving your financial goals. The more realistic and immersive you make the visualization in your mind, the stronger the impact it will have on your subconscious. This regular practice of visualization serves several purposes. Firstly, it reinforces your focus and determination, aligning your thoughts and actions with the manifestation of your financial aspirations. Secondly, it stimulates your creativity and problem-solving abilities, enabling you to identify and seize opportunities that will lead you closer to your goals. By integrating visualization into your daily routine, you enhance your mental and emotional connection with your desired financial outcomes. This alignment empowers you to make conscious choices and take inspired actions that propel you towards the realization of your dreams. 4. Practice gratitude. Gratitude holds remarkable potential in the pursuit of attracting abundance and cultivating a wealth mindset. It is essential to dedicate time each day to express gratitude for the money and financial resources you currently possess, irrespective of their magnitude. By consciously appreciating what you already have, no matter how small, you generate a powerful positive energy that acts as a magnet for further wealth. One effective method to cultivate gratitude is by maintaining a gratitude journal. This journal serves as a tangible reminder of the abundance present in your life. Take a few moments each day to reflect on and record the financial blessings, no matter how modest, that you are grateful for. This practice helps shift your focus from scarcity to abundance, fostering a mindset that attracts more financial success. By acknowledging and appreciating the money you currently have, you tap into a mindset of abundance, and abundance begets more abundance. The more you cultivate gratitude for your financial resources, the more you open yourself up to receiving greater prosperity and opportunities. 5. Practice affirmations. Affirmations serve as powerful tools for reprogramming the subconscious mind and shaping a positive mindset towards wealth and abundance. To harness their potential, carefully select affirmations that are in alignment with attracting financial success. Examples of such affirmations include, "I am a magnet for money," "I am open to receiving abundance," or "I attract financial opportunities effortlessly." Consistency is key when it comes to affirmations. Set aside dedicated time each day to repeat these affirmations, preferably in a calm and focused state. Embrace the affirmations with genuine belief and conviction, allowing them to permeate your subconscious mind. As you consistently reinforce these positive statements, they gradually replace any limiting beliefs or negative thought patterns that may hinder your financial growth. Over time, the repetition of affirmations shapes your mindset, cultivating a deep-rooted belief in your ability to attract wealth and abundance. The subconscious mind, which governs your actions and decisions, becomes aligned with these positive affirmations, ultimately attracting the financial opportunities and success you desire. 6. Take inspired action. While visualization is a potent technique, it must be accompanied by inspired action to bring about tangible results. Merely imagining your financial goals is insufficient. It is essential to leverage your visualizations as a catalyst for taking concrete steps towards achieving those goals. Use your visualizations as a source of motivation and inspiration. Let them ignite a fire within you to actively seek out opportunities that align with your aspirations. Engage in networking activities, connect with like-minded individuals, and surround yourself with a supportive community that encourages your financial growth. Remain open-minded and receptive to new possibilities that may arise along your journey. By aligning your actions with your visualizations, you create a dynamic synergy between your thoughts and behaviors. This synergy propels you forward, accelerating your progress towards financial success. Your visualizations act as a guiding compass, directing your efforts and ensuring that you are consistently moving in the right direction.